how are you approaching a conversation with a customer when comparing Microsoft and a competing product? What are your views? And Jim, what are your thoughts?
Yeah, very similar for us. The ecosystem sell is sort of foremost in our selling, because of Office 365 and Azure. So, that's a big part of it. I think another place we lean into pretty heavy is compliance. There's a lot we sell to some people that have regulatory and compliance issues, HIPAA or otherwise. And I think Microsoft's sort of way in the lead in that front in terms of their ability to kind of sign agreements. We sell against NetSuite, for example, and to get a HIPAA compliant, version of NetSuite, you have to work with a third party. So I think Microsoft's really leading the charge in terms of that sort of security compliance message that resonates a lot with a lot of people, especially when they're talking about moving to the cloud. So that's another way we really kind of differentiate.
That's good.